Let's learn together. Korean jobs. Book 1 and Book 2 all in one song.
Are you ready?
Let's go.
The one who learns is 학생. Student. The one who teaches 선생님. Teacher. Working at the office 회사원. Office worker. Protecting the city 경찰관. Police officer. Fighting the fire 소방관. Firefighter. Cooking yummy food 요리사. Trucking on the road 운전기사. Working in the field 농부. farmer. Fishing in the sea 어부 fisherman. Let's remember every job right now.